Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix 3D option not showing in Photoshop 3D missing. Fix 1. Check your Photoshop version. First open Photoshop, then click Help and go to About Photoshop. Now check the version number. If you are using Photoshop 2022 or newer, 3D tools are no longer included. Fix 2. Install an older Photoshop version. First open the Adobe Creative Cloud Desktop app and find Photoshop. Now click the three dots next to Photoshop. From there, select Other Versions and install Photoshop 2021 or an available older version. Fix 3. Reset Photoshop preferences. First close Photoshop, then hold Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift for Windows or Command plus Option plus Shift for Mac. Now launch Photoshop while holding the keys and confirm the preference reset. Then check if the 3D options reappear. Fix 4. Use Adobe Substance 3D apps. Download Adobe 3D software suite and create or edit 3D models in those apps. Now import rendered assets back into Photoshop if needed. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.